What's going on, everybody? My name is Eric B.L.A.N. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. One thing I want to talk to you guys about is this Squeegee channel that I have, and then also the grip. So I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I'm feeling like as the tools start to get better and better and better for the window cleaning community, I keep going back to the original thing. So we have like the new Mormon handle that looks like this. It goes to -20 and it does some crazy cool things. And we use the Mormon handle every single day, not that specific one, but the older style. And I'm integrating these into the for the guys. Now the guys love these ones. I still have my old one; it works perfect, so I'm going to use it until I break it. Then I'll switch over to the new ones. But this one here, I've tried it for about a month now, and I absolutely love it. It's a silver channel here, regular stainless channel, okay? One of the things that I really like about Ettore is it's a classic style. So this handle here is like a deep ledge or something like that, but I love it because it's got such a harsh degree to it. I'm used to using a 40 degree. I'm not sure what degree that is. It's not 40, but it's maybe somewhere close to 40. But I always use it at 40 degrees. I use it whether it's here, up in the air, down here, it doesn't matter. Down at when I'm doing the door with the pole, so if I'm doing pole work, I have this baby like this on 40 degrees. Swaying back and forth like this, and I'm able to really get enough motion and movement with my pole rather than having to bend over and get it every single time. But this channel and this handle is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. The one thing I can say is that the end, I don't know if you guys can see, let me get closer. Watch the rubber. See how it goes? It sways back and forth. See that? And I think over time it's going to twist off. And that's just my assumption to it. Hasn't done it yet, but I'm going to say that that's going to wear down pretty quickly. But it's so nice to have that. It's got a beefy handle on it. I really like it. And man, it just goes to town. You can really dive down on each side with this and come through and chop down the mountain. Sorry, my garage door is open. It's raining. We have a fair down there, so all kinds of people are driving on the road here. But love this channel. Give it a go, you guys. It's an Ettore, I think, deep ledge channel or handle, and then regular just channel there from Ettore. I was gonna actually get the brass ones. I should have, but it was a little heavier, so I got this one instead. So very, very nice deal. Love you. Until next time. See you guys.